Welcome to our BTIT domain channel.
So let's start. I'm going to show you how to make resume or CV by using Canva. Open a browser and go to the Canva website. Here is the Canva site. Go through it. I have already logged in Canva. So so here the search bar we have to search the resume or CV. After entering it, we will get a lot of CVs resumes here. This looks more attractive than a simple CVs. A new format, a new pattern, a new design where we can edit it and make it for ourselves. Simply we have to search the resume and here we got all this. Uh, Whatever you like, you can make it and edit it. So here you will see the customize this template. You can customize this and this will open a new tab. Accordingly, you can zoom in and can edit it. We tap on this profile, we can delete it, and from the upload you can put your profile here. This is a financial analyst resume. Here you can write your name. Here for what you're making the resume, you can put it. You can edit it like this. Like this you can write it. You have to write about a little detail about yourself and all the contact details, your email ID, phone number, address, your skills, whatever skills you have, experience, how many experience you have from when to when, and your education background, schooling. You have to put it here and your achievements. You can put many more things you can also add in this. And most probably CV will be of one page. Even you can make of 2 pages by adding the page here. Here you can also take this CV and you can edit it. So that's all for this video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.